of my rides, and I'm going to show you how I fix my own bike instead of taking it to the fundi. So let me take the necessary things, and my bike is downstairs already, so I'll show you how it looks. And let me now take the water and the other things for fixing the bike, then begin. So as you can see, the bike has a puncture. I removed the part that punctured the bike, so yeah, even as you can hear the children saying Himisha Pums. So I've already brought my water. I have my spank on the bike and this necessary thing. So let me just sit down and show you all this about. So I'm using the cold patch. This is what I bought. You can see the link in the description, and this is how it looks. The patches, the rubber solution. Then I do have another thing for sand keeping the tire tube. So let us begin. So it's the pump that I use usually on my bike all the time, and I bought it from Decathlon. I'll show you how it looks. So as you can see, we found the first puncture. Hopefully it's only one. So what you have to do now is to dry the place and then sand it down, then apply the glue and then the patch, which are already over here.